Tuck settled. Morris is a little confused, but he let me pet him. Are you gonna come down? You're a little late for breakfast there. Hi, good morning. And of course, Marty's not leaving the food bowl for anything. It's not very sunny, but it's moderate temps this morning, not too windy. Birds are chirping. I'm seeing the first hint of dogwood flowers starting to open up. We're supposed to have a chance of severe weather this afternoon, but should be a pretty nice day until it rains. Here's a little bit more sun. So Don worked until 3:30 a.m., something like that. And he had a 9 a.m. conference call that he's on now. And things are going pretty good, all things considered. But I swear yesterday he started work at 6. He worked, 20 hours yesterday. He took just a couple hours to, high stripe. He took just a couple hours to get something to eat and take a quick nap around dinner time before they actually started the install. Hey, buddy. I probably should call him back to the backyard. Before I get into anything else today, it's time for the glove. It's that time of year. All the cats are shedding. I just did Marty and Tux, and Gray loves it. Gray could literally take it for 30 minutes if I do it that long. She's just loves the glove, loves to be brushed. So, and mostly in her safe chair here. Good girl, Gray. Mom and Dad Bluebird are on the tree there. I wonder if they have started making a nest in the box. It's possible Don and I would have missed that. I'll watch for a few minutes. That's the second glove's worth full of hair. She is a shedding machine right now. I'm gonna head up to Guardian Angel. I know it's Saturday morning and that's not currently my normal thing, but I know they were getting close to having the bin at the back full of Legos and then bringing it out front. And I didn't have a chance to stop in yesterday. And Thursday it wasn't out yet, so today. Yeah, Don's still on the phone. He said things are going good. And I don't expect him to be on the phone all day or anything. Unless something were to start to go wrong. But they were making, doing some double checks to make sure the rest of the weekend was going to go smooth. I know somebody has to be on the bridge call basically 24/7 until Monday morning, but those are scheduler people, and that's not Don in this case, although he's, supposed to be available the whole weekend. So, anyway, I don't plan to stay at Guardian Angel too long. I just want to make a quick run in and look for Legos. I might run over to Walmart for just a minute. Want to do these things before it rains. I'm not sure when the rain's supposed to show up, although this afternoon, and it's only 10:30. I'm running a little short on sleep too because I was on the couch while Don was back there working, and then when he went to bed I was up for a little bit and then got resettled with him when the coast was clear in the bedroom, because the bedroom's his office. And it's totally fine for a couple of nights a year. If it was something that was happening all the time, I'm sure we would do something different, but in this case not necessary. But the coffee's still kicking in for me. I'll have my second cup when I get back home. I couldn't find my lint roller, and let's just say I've taken a small bit of Marty out with me today. So on the list at Walmart is another lint roller, because a girl can never have too many in too many different places for when you need it. There's some people here, but not fully crowded yet. My phone doesn't have a lot of charge and I didn't grab a brick. So hopefully it won't run out if I need to message Michelle. It's not quite big enough for me, but I really like it. It's real cement. It does have a crack, but they only have 7 on it. That crack could be sealed. Just not big enough. It's a tree, and it says, "Listen to the trees. They sing a song in nature that only your heart can hear." And it's a Toland. It's really thick. $5. It's in great condition. I think I'll take it home. I guess these are up to like 20 ducks new now. As I can tell, no new toys anywhere in the store. Bummer. Those are pretty, but it's the wrong color for fall leaves and not very Eastery for Easter colors. I guess if you travel, you get one of these per state, maybe. They're $1. Buy one, get one free. Only got 4 though. Yeah, it looked like they still hadn't put out any toys, Legos or otherwise, and I didn't want to be a pest. I just kind of smile at the 1 or 2 people that know I'm interested in Legos, and if they happen to bring something out while I'm in the store, great, and if they don't, that's fine too. I picked up a couple of rings for Michelle, and a really cute mouse rat pin. I forget what it's called, but it's the black with the carved gold in it. It's vintage. It's from the 70s, I believe. And anyway, she was excited about that. And I guess for me, I got the flag and I got a little charm. There was a charm and some black Corel plates. I'll show you a picture of the plates at the house. I would use them, they're white with a black design. I would use them at Halloween time. I have some black with, or white with a black design, but this was different, and I kind of like the eclectic look. There was a couple of different patterns here. So I'm headed to Walmart for a bit. Also, Johnny needed his volunteer hours from last summer, and I just lucked out and saw Miss Ruth and was able to get that information for him. So it was really a good stop in there. I was in and out of Walmart pretty fast. They were really busy in there. I don't normally go in during the day on a Saturday, and well, you know, Fuquay's not the little sleepy town that it used to be. But anyway, I'm headed back to the house now, and I just had another call from Samsung, and maybe they're gonna work with us. The verdict is still out. I'll let you know when it's a for sure thing, but I have yet one more piece of documentation they're requesting from me, so I'm gonna go home and get that. They just must have a ton of fraud on these warranty claims, but you know, to me, when they had, and I've been told since then it was a third-party outfit, but when they sent one of their repair vans to our house and saw the refrigerator and took pictures of it and all of that stuff right there while they had their authorized agent in our home, you would think that there wouldn't be as much you know, potential for fraud. But I'm happy to go get them this new piece of documentation if they will indeed give us the warranty. It's just been a real headache. And speaking of headaches, for some reason I have a horrible headache again, so I go home and have another cup of coffee and take some Excedrin. Stop by the environmental park to spend the Pokestop, and there's a Model 3. No mail yet, and despite the fact that it looks like it's going to rain any minute, there are no showers nearby, so if Dawn is able to go for our walk, the weather should cooperate.
I feel for y'all. You're really missing out.
It was 2 sheets worth of bacon, with was being the optimal word.
Was, that's right. And if I don't leave, there won't be anything.
So I came home and Don was laying down for a minute because he had a headache and felt nauseous too. But we've both taken 2 Excedrin and had a little to eat now. And not that we didn't eat yesterday or anything, but yeah. Sleep was disrupted. Caffeine might have been disrupted with the weird schedule yesterday. We're gonna have eggs here in a minute, and
yeah, I'm feeling
maybe take a little nap and still hopefully go for a walk. But we were both feeling a little rough there for a minute, which was kind of odd.
My project, the first phase went live, and it's looking very good. In fact, it's looking so well they canceled the 5 p.m. checkpoint meeting.
And what time's the meeting tomorrow?
Noon.
Okay, because I would like to go to the meetup, which is from 1 to 4. So if that checkup goes okay, maybe that's a possibility.
Yeah, yeah, I think so.
We won't maybe have time to wash the car, but we'll have time to go to the meetup. Right. We might have to take Jules tomorrow. Yeah, Ruby's looking rough.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, that ain't gonna. Car cleaning is not probably.
Like it's gonna rain.
We're going for our walk. It's a little after 5. It's almost
You're looking
80.
quite yellow.
Yeah. I got this one on, but a guy was wearing an orange shirt, and I have a really neat orange long sleeve one, and I don't even think I've wore it yet. I don't want it to be hot yet. I want it to stay just cool enough. I'm not ready for 90 degrees. I really enjoy our walks when we can go anytime we want, pretty much.
Well, I guess our headaches are gone.
Yeah, I would say I'm down to there's just a little tightness. There's no pain.
Yeah, we both had 2 Excedrin.
Yeah.
We just have no get up and go today. 2 nights in a row of interrupted sleep.
Oh, yeah.
And then this afternoon's nap time wasn't as productive as I think we had hoped. So.
Right.
But we're out here now. We got time because of the time change and.
Yeah, we're having to stay home, closer to the home. Otherwise, we might have went somewhere today. Because I have to get back. I don't have any access except for my desktop computer. This is I didn't think about it at the time, but one of the advantages of a laptop, you can usually take it with you somewhere. But
yeah, I could have kicked him out to the garage. He'd have been working in the garage last night instead of in the bedroom. Yeah. I'm just kidding. I really, it wasn't a big deal, but he likes that clicky keyboard, and it is.
Right. Well,
on occasion. But he made his point last night pretty good. He was out in the kitchen rummaging through the ice, breaking up the ice, and he says, yeah, kid, it sounds just like those Lego bricks. I thought that was a little mean.
Well, it was just, I think of it as just accurate.
Well, I'm happy we're not getting any severe weather, but I guess the forecast for any rain totally fizzled, and had we had an accurate forecast, we might would have washed Ruby or done some other stuff.
Right, if we'd have known it was
If we'd have known, yep. You can see the changing sky. Do you see the Tux-looking cat? I do not believe he's a stray. I've seen him twice this week now. Still really nice for 6:15. We've really enjoyed the breeze, although once or twice it tried to blow me away. And it's not really quite that dark. We were just commenting on how much later it's light out right now. Still trying to get used to it. It's always pretty walking up this hill when the sun's at our back.
Yeah, that redbud's starting to look really pretty over there with Joel.
Yep.